Chapter 7.2 Siemens KNX Touch Control TC5 Devices of the Sample Project. To be able to use all features of the TC5 at least once, we use the following devices to be controlled and integrated. 1 switch actuator 4-way N530. 1 switching dimming actuator N536. 1 solar protection actuator 2-way RL52123. 1 Dali gateway N14103. 1 air quality controller AQR 2576. 1 weather central AP 25761 for environmental measurements of temperature, wind speed, sun brightness and precipitation. 1 UP22031 push button interface for window contact. The sample project created from these devices covers a room or floor application, but also integrates the data from the weather central. The devices of this sample project can be exchanged at any time for other functionally comparable actuators and sensors, as long as they provide the appropriate group objects.